Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about React JS, which is one of the most popular technologies used to build modern web applications. React helps developers create interactive and dynamic user interfaces. Before learning React, we must understand web development. Web, develop, web development is the process of building. It mainly consists of two parts. One is front end. This is the part users can see and interact with. Backend. This handles the server, database, and application logic. Front-end technologies include HTML for structure, CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity. Modern web applications require fast and responsive user interfaces. What is React? React is the JavaScript library used to build user interface. It is mainly used for developing single page applications, also called as SPA. Single page applications load a single page and dynamically update content without refreshing the entire page. React was developed by Facebook, now known as Meta. Why React is popular? React has become very popular among developers. Some reasons include it provides fast performance, it uses reusable components, it improves the user experience, it has large community and strong support. Many major companies use React, including Facebook, Instagram, Netflix. This shows how powerful and reliable React is for building web applications. Key features of React. React has several important features. The first feature is component based architecture. This means applications are divided into small reusable parts called components. The second feature is virtual DOM. React updates only the required parts of the web page instead of refreshing the whole page. The third feature is JSX, which allows developer to write HTML inside JavaScript. Another feature is one-way data binding, where data flows in a single direction. These features make React efficient and easy to learn. Now let us understand virtual DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model, which represents the structure of the web page. In traditional web applications, whenever a change occurs, the entire page is updated. However, React uses something called virtual DOM. The virtual DOM creates a lightweight copy of real DOM. When changes occur, React compares the virtual DOM with the real DOM and updates only the changed elements. This makes React applications much faster and efficient. By seeing this animation, you can understand how it is working. So if you're clicking this, the first virtual DOM has been updated, and after that only real DOM has been updated. Now let us understand components, that is React components. Components are small reusable building blocks used to create user interfaces. Instead of writing one large program, developers divide the application into smaller parts called components. Examples of components include navigation bar, login form, footer, buttons. Each component performs a specific function. This makes application easier to develop, maintain, and reuse. This is the example for components. Each one is different component. Next one is structure of React applications. A React application is organized in the form of a component hierarchy. For example, the main component is called app. Inside the app component, we may have other components such as header, content, sidebar, and etc. React provides several advantages. It is easy to learn, it supports reusable components, it provides high performance, it uses large developer community. It supports a rich ecosystem of tools and libraries. React is widely used for modern web application development. Applications of React. React is used in many real world applications, social media platforms, e commerce websites, online learning platforms, mobile applications. React helps developers to build scalable applications. In this session, we learned about introduction to React, features of React, virtual DOM, components, and advantages of React. React is a powerful tool for modern web development. Thank you.